Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Nolan stage hypothesis. In the MIS, this Nolan stage hypothesis playing a vital role how to do the business in IT. Nolan model considers general approach to IT information technology in business. How information technology playing a role in this management information system. In the management information system, data and facts are already available in the system. How it is has to be useful and how it is going to be divided into stages. Each stage, what are the process has to be taken part. This is what we are going to see in the Nolan stage hypothesis. Actually, this model proposed that evolution of IT in organization begins slowly in stage one, whatever it may be. Okay, the organization when we are having how the information technology has emerged or evolution will be taking part. If any changes will occur of the sudden, that is majorly information technology playing a vital role in each and every minute and each and every seconds in the organization. So new technology, if we are implementing, how it has to be adopted by the employee and how the information has to be shared to them and how they are trained towards it. These are all the things we are facing a problem in when implementation of information things, technologies. So how it has to be taken part, that is what we are going to see. Basically, first stage is where stage one is going to be talking about initiation stage. Initiation stage means what? It will be trained to people. Like if I am having a laptop, my keyboard operating is a hands off, isn't it? How I am frequently operating the keyboard, how I am knowing the tools, where the letters were placed, everything that is hands off operations has to be done in the first stage. That is what initiation stage we are talking about. This stage is marked by hands-off, user awareness, and an emphasis on functional application to reduce the cost. Clear? Very thing. We have to create a user awareness. If you think about any mobile phone you are purchasing, what you will do, how frequently it will be operate, where the settings will be, how easily understandable that we will see. That is what user awareness. An emphasis on functional application, easy to operate. Daily work we can't go with the keynote and keybook. We have to search. No, it's very easily understandable one. That is what. Okay, here we are going to see 6 stages of neural model. One of the stage of growth model helping to understand the role of information system first. The organization strategy and its maturity. Okay, it ends with the maturity. Earlier, a similar model calls four stage model, but now it is 6 stage model. In that 4 stage, what we'll see, what is the 6 stage model? We'll one by one we'll see. What is going to be a 4 stage model? 4 stage model is going to talking about initiation, expansion, formalization, maturity. Very simple thing. Initiation is going to be talking about primary focus on cost reduction, and only specialized applications are run with the specialized staffs. Okay, management not very keen about monitoring the information system. This is what initiation stage. Next, expansion. The word itself it says no. Now we are going to rapidly increase our operations. Which application increase rapidly? Specialization of staff and application is on in order of the day. Management begin start. Okay, something going on in the organization. Let me have a look like that. The management will come and take a note. That is what the second one. What they are doing, they will monitor. Next, formalization. What is that? Which emphasize lead to control on special and specialization. Okay, one stage is over. Expansion. We expand our operations. What we have to do next? Whether it is going properly or not, whether it has to be controlled or not, we have to see. That is what formalization. Emphasis lead the control and specialization. It's majorly it's focused on where the mistake will be, how it has to be controlled. Okay, the management control information system playing a role. The last one, maturity. Okay, fine. The database oriented application, pro life rate, information used to used as a resources. So everything over, right? Hereafter, that is also become a resources of the organization. So this is what the fourth stage of Nolan fourth stage model. Now we are going to see growth model in a Sixth stage. What is this? The same thing only. First one initiation and contagion, control, integration, data admin, and last one is maturity. Same. Additionally, two things we added. What are the things we will see one by one? Users are hands off in approach. Initiation stage everywhere common only. So users are hands off. Next, proliferation of application. Once we are training for that, okay, what is this? Like that. One next, immediately it will start control. Yes, information technology and information system is considered to important function because these two stage we are crossed, so we are used to do that particular thing in the organization. So the next step what we have to do, we have to control it, whether it is going a correct way or not, we have to see it. Integration, greater use of database. Okay, once it's also controlled, everything set right. So what purpose we are implementing this one? See, we want to improve our business, isn't it? So that is doing some great things in the business. So that is a greater use of database. And data administration. Yes, everything we collected, how we are going to monitor the admissions, administration works. So we have to do that work in majorly. And last one is maturity. Information technology department becomes a partner of users data in the management. So maturity data, we have to keep everything in a record manner, and we have to make a safe also. So this is thing. So initiation, contagion, control, integration, data admin. The last one is maturity. Additionally, we divided one steps like control steps. Contagion also we are having there itself. That stage used to be called majorly that stage is used to be called as expansion stage visual. So here that expansion stage and the third stage, it has to be somewhat clubbed, and again fourth stage and the fifth stage somewhat clubbed. The final stage is common, initiation and maturity. Clear. So what are the plan has to be taken part, and it has to be how it is going to be. So Nolan 1979 indicated that sixth stage in the information system evolutionary process, it is an improvement over the four stage model. That is stages already we have seen, no? Initiation, contagion, control, integration, data administration, and maturity. This is what clearly they are giving an explanation. Initiation in the sense starting hands off experience we said. So initial steps, what is that we are understanding? No, that is called which is contagion is a sense which organization moves towards online system, where it is right now, where it is, and what it want to improve from the initial stage to next stage. Okay, that is it. So people are making more awareness to the employee, and the people are started working towards it. That is what. Next one is control. It's a management concern where we they have to monitor and they have to control the people, where our assessment has to be done, and each and every month what is the process, or fortnight what is the process going on, like that. Next one is integration. The organization moves away from the ad hoc. Okay, they want to isolate a solution based on the information to the service based information system. This stage is when organization transition from data based decision making. Of course, one stage is over, that data will provide to make us a decision. The management, after collecting the information, the management used to think about this information is useful, because of that I am taking a decision. Like that, one approach will come. One management thought will start at emerging. Okay, this is very very important. Integration, they want to grow in the business. So these are all the stages, three stages, which leads us to take a decision making in our future business also. Okay, a more comprehensive approach towards the information system result in change the organization behavior towards the information system and initiate new appreciation data and informations. Okay, next, data administration, very very important. What data we are having, how we are maintaining the data, and how we are secure the data. Clear. Appreciate value information and makes effort to centralize the data management, take advantages of benefits of information based decision making. All these things taken part. The last one, maturity, as we know very well, the organization want to create a very high level target. Okay, they want a synergy in that the corporate have their own vision, mission, objectives, how it has to be reached, everything to be talking about in the maturity stage. These are all the stage of Nolan has described in the research. However, no empirical proof existing on the stage of growth model. Okay, even the information system is matured. This is what I would like to discuss with the Nolan hypothesis model. Thank you.